Bitcoin is currently hovering around 65K as I record this video right now. Now, people are saying that the bottom is in and we're likely going to continue moving up from here. But they're forgetting one key thing. We are currently in a bear market. And within bear markets, we normally always get relief rallies. And we're currently right now within a relief rally in itself. Therefore, what we may expect is BTC to come into the regions of 68 to 69K and likely even slightly higher to 70K before we get the bigger move to the downside. So therefore, my first scenario on BTC is price will come up, tap into this region, and we'll get the bigger move to the downside within the regions of 60 to 50K and likely may even go slightly lower than 50K. We would then get the bigger move to the upside. Now, that's your first scenario. The second scenario is BTC doesn't come into this region here, but we continue moving down. Now, as we move down, we take out these lows, or we don't have to, and then we'll get the bigger move to the upside into this region of 68 to 69K, likely even 70K. Then we'll get the bigger move to the downside within this region and the continuation. Now, I know that is a lot to take in, but these are the two scenarios that I am currently looking at. I am definitely looking for more positions to the downside. And when we get the sweep of these lows within these regions down here, I will be looking for bullish price action. Now, we can see on the daily time frame this bullish order flow. We're sweeping liquidity and we're coming down. We're sweeping liquidity and we're coming down. Now, what I'd like to see is price on the lower time frame, such as the 4 hour, respect bullish order flow as we're doing right now. Price is respecting bullish order flow. So what I'd like to see is for price take out these lows down here, come into this region, and we can look for a long position. Or, however, if we get the move to the upside and not take out this high down here, I will look for price to come into a key region such as a fair value gap, and then we'll get a move to the upside. And I will look for positions to the upside from here and target these areas down here and then around the 68 to 69K. Now, having said that, when price does come into the regions of 68 to 69K, what will I be looking for? Well, on the lower time frame, again, 4 hour or 1 hour, this is exactly what I'd like to see. Price comes up into this region, we'll get a clean break of market structure, change in the state of delivery, price comes back up into a key region, and I'll look for a short to the downside. That's exactly what I'll be looking for on the lower time frame for this short position. Now, if you miss that position and you don't get to take it, we can look at bearish price action. Similar to how we have bullish order flow down here, we would just begin to look for bearish order flow and we can take positions to the downside as we move down. One thing that I forgot to mention is on the 4 hour, it is very, very clear that price may create this market maker sell model. So this is your buy side of the curve. Here's your midpoint. And as we get into this region, we'll look for shorts, and this is your sell side of the curve. Now, that's exactly what I'm looking at in the markets right now over the next 2 to 3 weeks and likely slightly longer. Now, nothing has changed for me. I am still looking to the downside overall over the next 2 to 3 months. And as we get the move to the downside, I will dollar cost average on BTC and some alts. And I'll also look for a position to the upside as a leverage trade as we get this bull run. Now, if you like these types of videos, consider subscribing. I do weekly market breakdowns on the crypto market. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.